Hey there, this is Raymond with EnjoyArizonaLiving.com. I'm just kind of doing some of these videos on buying a brand new home. Since I worked for the big builders for over a decade, I guarantee that I can help you. And you do want to use me when you're buying your brand new home, because I can help you navigate the process, which is completely different than buying a resale home. Well, starting with, once you pick your floor plan and all that, well, you're going to be looking at things like this, a dirt lot. You have to find out what lots are available. The site sales person will have a map of that, and they'll have a certain amount of releases on the lots that you will choose from, and then you go from there. And certain floor plans will be allowed on certain lots as well. And then from there, it's going to, they're going to start doing the underground utilities that are going to be going in. As you can see, there's the water box, there's the water line, and then they're going to go ahead and start getting the site prepared for the slab. And in the old days, they used to use a monolithic slab where they would just literally cut around the edges of the slab and pour concrete in. And as you can see, I'm going to show you up close and personal here as I navigate the construction. So this is what your underground utilities in your house are looking like, the different drains and so forth that are run in your house. They've got these boards up that will that is the perimeter of your actual floor plan. That's where the slab will be poured. Now, the monolithic slabs, they used to work okay back in the old days, but they cracked a lot because there was they just poured concrete on the edges. They laid rebar down, and then hopefully the house pad was compacted properly, evenly all the way across, because they have to also do a compaction test at 95% or above in order to justify building the slab and putting the weight of the house on top of that. So with the new construction, most builders, but not all, most builders are building with what's called a post-tension slab. And with a post-tension slab, it is actually a slab that has rebar. They're not using rebar, it's actually cables. And how you can tell it's a post-tension slab is, hopefully this can pick this up. It's got a print right on, this is in the garage, and it says, post-tension slab, do not drill out or core. So what that is they run these cables through the slab after they've got all the utilities in, and on this side it'll show the cables. So you can see these cables sticking out, and what they do is they actually cut those cables. They will pull pressure. It could be a couple of thousand pounds of pressure on the cables, and that tightens the slab. It pulls it together almost like a tightly weaved basket. So in theory, you can undermine the slab and a corner of the slab, and the slab won't crack because it's holding itself up together. It's like, it's another term is a floating slab. So this is the best way, especially in the unstable soils of Arizona with all these different types of soils, to build a house, is using post-tension and the high pressure cables. The reason they say do not core, drill or core into these is if you drill, like for example, you put a gun safe in or something like that, and you hit one of the cables, that will break the cable, and that will void out your 10-year registrar of contractors structural warranty on the home. So the only way to do that is to actually get an engineer out to do an x-ray on your slab to find out where the cables are at before you drill into it. So anyway, that's what's going on with slabs. I know there's a lot more to it, but I want to keep these videos short. So anyway, that's the story on post-tension slabs versus monolithic slabs. And for more information, or out to me for a free consultation on buying your brand new home, give me a call at 623-300-5074, or stop by my website and click around on the links at EnjoyArizonaLiving.com. Talk to you soon.